In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Card to Brevo. By the end, you'll have a Card sign-up form that sends new subscribers straight into your Brevo contact list, using a secure API connection. Start in Card by opening the page you want to edit. Click the plus icon to add a new element, then choose Form. This creates the foundation for collecting email addresses on your site. In the Forms settings, look for the type option and set it to Sign Up. That tells Card this form is meant to add people to your mailing list, not just send a message. Next, find the Via setting and choose Brevo as the provider. This is the bridge that connects your Card form to your Brevo account. Now, switch over to Brevo. Open your account and click the settings icon in the top right corner. Go to SMTP and API, then select API keys and MCP. Here, you'll see your existing API keys, and you can generate a new one if needed. Create a key if you don't already have one, give it a clear label for your own reference, and copy it. Treat this key like a password. Don't share it publicly and store it securely. Head back to Card and paste the API key into the Brevo field. Then enter the list ID for the audience you want new signups to join. This ensures subscribers land in the exact list you've prepared for them. Configure what happens after someone submits the form under on completion. You can show a success message, redirect to a thank you page, or display any follow-up text you prefer. Turn on spam protection to reduce bot signups and keep your list clean. Finally, review options to fine-tune labels, placeholders, required fields, and any visual or accessibility preferences so the form feels clear and trustworthy. When everything looks right, click Done to save your changes. Your Card form is now connected to Brevo and ready to capture subscribers automatically.